Hello guys, and welcome back. So for today we have another external wall installation to do, and in this case I will have to take all those tiles off and even the PVC that is on the top. So the scaffolding is on. We have our skip here, plenty for that, plenty for this type of job. But yeah, everything is on. We just need to start. So I'm just going to go on the top and start taking some stuff out. So let's go up. Alright guys, so we are up, long way down there, and yeah, we are ready to take these fascias down. And yeah, without any further ado, let's just jump on it, because it's quite late. I just finished now with the towers, and it took me a bit of time. So I still need, I really want to take all this cladding down. So let's start. Alright, so that was easier than I thought. So all the PVC plus the timber that it was at the back, I just took it out and it came off nicely, didn't lose too much time. So right now I'm just going to throw all this stuff in that skip and then pass to the tiles. Let's go. Alright, so like our usual, we have our bird's nest inside here. I didn't saw any gap, but it seems that they find a way. They always find a way. So yeah, this is the bottom side. I think I'm going to leave that one. I'm just going to check with the owner, but that doesn't look bad. And we can just put our insulation on top of that. Now I might need to fill all these gaps, and I will also need to check to see what is going to happen here. But meanwhile, yeah, just need to pass on the tiles right now, and then maybe clean a little bit all this mess and that. Alright, so now these tiles here I'm just going to take out one by one. I'm going to take them out one by one, and hopefully I'm going to have a solid wall at the back, not a timber wall, not a stud wall. If not, I will need to do a little bit more prepping before installing the actual system on. So yeah, I will take out one by one, and here in the middle I'm just going to do a nice straight cut with the grinder. So let's quickly do that. Now I just need to find a place where to put the camera. I don't want for it to fall down. Alright guys, so it was a lot of mess around here, so I've done all the cleaning and now it's everything nice and tight, and I finished to take out everything. I even cut that small section with the neighbor on the top also. I scraped down a little bit all the flaky paint, and I even took the bird's nest out. I think we have it here someplace. Yeah. And yeah, now I just have to go quickly to the shops because I will still need to do some bits and pieces around. And yeah, at this point now he's going to be ready for the actual external wall installation. Well, this house here, is going to be as real as it can get, because when you do this type of systems, it's not just the system that you have to do. Here we are not in the warehouse, you know, just making a few walls. Here on this side here, actually on this property here, we are going to get a lot of pipes, wires, thresholds and gutters and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, you can see how I'm going to manage with all those bit by bit. So yeah, let's start. Already started to do a little bit of making good. As you can see, the splashes down there, because I was trying to put some sand and cement on that side over there, and even on top. So I've done a little bit on the top, and I just had to stop because I think it will need more protection because it's splashing everywhere. And sand and cement, it's always like that. I just stopped for now. I'm just going to let my client know, and we will see if we are just going to repair it with some of the adhesive that I have, because that one is going to stick a little bit more and we are not going to have all that problem. But anyway, now I cleaned all the windows back like they were, because they were quite bad. And also I just finished to cut that side all online with the neighbor. So at this point I just have my rails here, the starter rails, and I'm just going to start by installing them all around this house. Okay, so that is one. Meanwhile, I finished with some of the towers even on this side, because I will need to do even the side with the neighbor. And that is done. The towers are on, and yeah, it's quite big, and that's why we have to start. It's all right. Now we just need to start and install these starter rails. Now it's a bit tricky to put these rails on uneven surface. Alright guys, so I'm just finishing installing the rails now. All the prepping is done for this building, and now it's going to be ready to install the EPS boards on. You can see all that on my next video, which I'm going to soon upload it. And to find all the videos for this project here, you just need to go on my playlist and search for the Felton project, and you are going to find all the videos in that playlist. Meanwhile, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.